Welcome to Tech Tutorial. Today now I am showing how to install CyanogenMod 12 ROM on your Samsung Galaxy Grand 2. Here you can see that the model number is G7102 and here you can see that the model number is G7102 and it will be having stock version KitKat. Now I am trying to install CyanogenMod 12. Guys, keep it in mind, your device will be charged up to 80% and this version of ROM is only applicable for G7102 and the tutorial will also applicable for G7102, and don't try this on another device, it will be fully bricked your device. In my last tutorial I will be shown how to install Clockwork Mode recovery. So here you can also check, which will be placed in description down below. Just now I am saying step by step method to install CyanogenMod 12 on your Samsung Galaxy Grand 2. Guys, please backup off all your data and then after try it. Do an Android backup, just afterward install CyanogenMod 12. Here just you need these three files: CyanogenMod 12, GApps, Odin, and the recovery will be placed. These three all will be placed in description down below. Here guys, now we need to install first. We need to install Clockwork Mode recovery. I already installed Clockwork Mode. I already told Clockwork Mode recovery tutorial and last tutorial. Just we can also flash for tutorials. Just white. Now here we seen that Odin version 0.39 3.09. Clockwork Mode recovery, you need to place your mobile at download mode by pressing power key, home key and volume down button at the same time to place your mobile at download mode. Just we need to power off our device now, and it will be successfully done. And connect your mobile to PC, open just run as administrator. Now click on yes, and you must uncheck auto reboot options, and you need to place your recovery at AP. Just let me do it now. Guys, here you can see that our device will be placed in download mode. Just press volume up button and now connect your device to computer via USB charge, and Odin will detect your mobile. If you must install USB drivers for your Samsung Galaxy Grand 2, here unchecked auto reboot, it will be must uncheck, and place your mobile at AP and Clockwork Mode test, which will be placed in description, and click on it, and it will must also check and click on start, and click on now start. Flashing Clockwork Mode recovery, we need to replace our battery, remove our battery from device, and afterward we need to insert and just remove it, because otherwise it will be boot into stock recovery. Just we need to remove it and reinsert it, and now place your mobile at recovery. Oh, we have successfully flashed Clockwork Mode recovery on our device. Just copy these files, CyanogenMod 12 ROM and GApps on your SD card. Using Clockwork Mode recovery, you need to wipe all your user data, cache partition and Delvik cache also. Just hit power key and yes, wipe all user data It will be wiping now, and wipe data has been completed. And wipe cache partition. To navigate your keys, just like by pressing volume up, volume down buttons, and go to advanced option and wipe Delvic cache also. Yes, wipe Delvic cache. Now Delvic cache has been wiped. Just now click on back button. After that you need to go mount on storage. Click power key. After clearing all, wipe Delvic cache and cache partition and wipe data, you need to go mount and storage and click on format system. Hit power key and yes, format it. Afterward, now format boot also, and click yes, format boot. Now click back button and now install zip. Choose zip from external SD and now select Cyanogen Mode 12 unofficial ROM. Hit and click on install Cyanogen Mode 12 and wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see that it will be flashing Cyanogen Mode 12 ROM on your Samsung Galaxy Grand 2. Guys, don't try this on another device, it will fully brick your device. Do it on your own risk. This version of Cyanogen Mode 12 is only applicable for this device only, and this tutorial will also be applicable for this device only. Just don't try on another device. Now it will be completing. Wait for a few seconds. After that the first boot will be take 2 to 3 minutes, because don't panic. Wow, I got a break my device, don't panic with it. It will be take, first boot will be take 2 to 3 minutes. Now install from SD has been completed. After that we need to flash GApps and choose zip from external SD and select GApps and install GApps. Now GApps will installing now. The GApp will installing now. And here you can see that install from SD has been completed. Afterwards we need to reboot our device. We successfully flashed Cyanogen Mode 12 ROM on your Samsung Galaxy Grand 2 and successfully flashed GApps. Just click on back button and reboot your system now. It will asking yes, fix root. Guys, don't panic, because it will take 2 to 3 minutes to boot. Yes, now it will be booting Cyanogen Mode 12 on your Galaxy Grand 2. Here guys, you can see that we successfully flashed CyanogenMod 12, and now it will be accessing code to complete setup. Now setup has been completed. You will know always. Wait. Now you want to make brightness high. Here you can see that thanks for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. If you have any doubt, please fulfill in comment section down below. All the links will be placed in description. Thanks for watching and share it to your friends.